think this is common sense. It's the responsible thing to do.
Keeping COVID-19 at bay, New Jersey and several other states take new steps to stop another surge of the virus. And this one could impact summer travel plans. This is Eyewitness News at 6, and we are streaming live on CBS in Philly. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia. A new travel advisory goes into effect in New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut in just a few hours. It requires anyone arriving from COVID-19 hotspots, seen here in red on your screen, to quarantine for 14 days. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here to explain how this works. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Jessica. Governor Murphy said there won't be border checks in New Jersey. Instead, people are being asked to take personal responsibility when they arrive here from states with high rates of COVID-19.
Travelers arriving at Philadelphia International will face new travel restrictions if they're going to New Jersey, New York, or Connecticut. They're supposed to quarantine for 2 weeks if they've come from states with new outbreaks of COVID-19.
It's a really smart, common sense step, particularly as we have the three states have really broken the back of this virus.
New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy joined the governors from New York and Connecticut in announcing the new advisory that says people coming into the three states from places with high rates of COVID-19 should self-quarantine for 14 days.
We worked very hard to get the viral transmission rate down. We don't want to see it go up because a lot of people come into this region and they could literally bring the infection with them.
The mandatory 14-day quarantine currently applies to people traveling from Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Washington, Utah, and Texas, the states experiencing spikes of COVID-19.
The states themselves can change as the infection rate changes. And we will update daily what states are above that infection rate.
Experts say the virus is spreading in states that had limited restrictions and lifted them early. The opposite has happened in much of the Northeast, where there's been a steady decline. The new quarantine aims to keep newly infected travelers from spreading it here.
We're asking folks to take on a big amount of personal responsibility here, to do the right thing. We welcome everyone to New Jersey, but we simply ask you to join us in our shared sacrifice to keep ourselves moving in the right direction.
Now, the travel advisory starts tonight at midnight. Governor Cuomo said people who violate the quarantine in New York could be fined. Governor Murphy said the health department would be in charge of enforcement in New Jersey. And we reached out to Governor Wolf asking why Pennsylvania didn't join the other governors with the travel advisory. We still haven't heard back. Jessica?
All right, Stephanie, thank you.